Hey there. Well, here we are on another nature walk talk, and as you can see on my shirt, I'm on Nantucket, and Nantucket's always been a very meaningful place for me. I love it here, and even on a hot and muggy day, I just love it. And one of the reasons I love it is because it's unpredictable weather-wise. You never know whether the fog is going to be so thick that you can't see your hand, or whether there's going to be blue skies, or within a half an hour of one weather pattern, you'll get another weather pattern. The other reason I love it is because there are so many birds and magnificent fields, and if you try and do what I do, which is stay away from the people, and in the summer there's a lot of people here, you can just get lost in nature. And right now I'm walking at a place called Sanford Farm, and it was a working farm in the 16 and 1700s, and now there's just beautiful growth and meadows and bushes. It's beautiful. And I just wanted to say to you that sometimes, coming to a familiar place, I often share with you how much I like to go back to familiar places in addition to exploring new places. But when you come to a familiar place, even the air is familiar. The textures are familiar. And you can be in the present, and you can also access what it is that was familiar, that can be so nurturing. And that's one of the things I love about this type of a place. It's different, it's new, and yet it's the same. And there aren't too many experiences in life where you can say that. So I'm just going to let you hear the birds and look at the meadows. Thanks for joining me on another Nature Walk Talk. I'll look forward to being with you next time.